so good. So good.
I want to hop in the shower and I love taking showers when I'm really stoned. And then we're gonna do skincare. And I'm starting to get a little hungry. We're gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna sip on my coffee and read my book a little bit more. And then we'll hop in the shower. Before I brush my teeth, do my skincare, or put any jewelry back on, always like to moisturize my body when I cut out of the shower. I'm gonna be using this La Roche-Posay Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I'm gonna do body oil first and then I'll do lotion. Let's do it. While I wait for the lotion and the body oil to really absorb, I'm gonna have another garden sesh, so I'll see you in a minute. I am so fucking high, it's crazy. I need to brush my teeth and then we're gonna do skincare, so let's do it. Now I'm gonna scrub my tongue. I don't think you guys wanna see this, so I'm gonna do this off camera. Pat your face dry. Don't drag. I washed my hair last night, but I just wet it in the shower today. Now it's like kind of dry, so with the fuck out of it, I'm gonna add the curling activator and then just some hair oil. Just gotta wait for my hair to dry and then I'll add the oil. Alright, so I finished eating and I decided to get my steps in today. I want to go to IKEA. We wanted to get that little orb lamp. You guys know what I'm talking about. Instead of right here, I've been wanting that lamp and I need some sort of high table. I want to create some sort of dining area in my apartment. I have an idea in my head, but I don't know if IKEA's gonna have it. It's gonna be either IKEA or Facebook Marketplace. For what I have pictured, we're gonna head to IKEA in a minute. I'm gonna smoke one more time and then we'll go. Before I go, I want to crack a cold one. It's just an Arizona iced tea. Oh, that's a good one. Cheers. God, it's so good. What does Arizona put in these iced teas? Because I want it in my vein right now. Guys, I'm also in the hunt for a new couch, so I'm just taking a look to see what they have. Facebook Marketplace hasn't really convinced, so I don't know what you think. I really like that. I've always wanted a leather couch, but no. Oh, they have more over here. I like this blue. Almost green, but it's blue. I really like this. Maybe a little bulky, but I think it's cute. Looks comfy anyway. Their chair selection is always kind of mid, and I don't like any of these, like, at all. Kind of like this, but no. But this fucking mirror, like, I've always wanted this. It's so big. Now I'm looking at the dining. I don't love any of these. I don't need like a whole dining setup. This I kind of like. This wooden one for $2.99. I really like this. I really like that. I've never liked these. I don't know why. I really don't like any other bar stools either. Why do they look so depressing? Ew. No. Do you guys recognize this one or this one? So it's pretty much lunchtime, but I'm not very hungry, so I'm just having a little ice cream sandwich.